Hi guys, welcome to the videos. How to fix Windows Store not working. First solution. Press K, Windows Erie. Okay. Press K same time. Okay. Now write this command. And press enter. Okay. Or accept option. Second solution. Click here, restart, and Windows search write CMD. Click right and Run Administrator. Okay, select Run Administrator. Write command SVC scan now and press enter. Okay. Now we some minutes 10 minutes or week finish process. Okay. Restart PC. Third solution. Click start. Write CMD. Click right. And Run Administrator. Now write next command. Okay, powershell ExecutionPolicy. Okay. Copy command and paste in CMD. Okay. Press enter and restart PC. Okay. Fourth solution. Check the time and date. Okay. Check the time and date. They must be correct. File solution. The type antivirus. Sixth solution. Let's go start and write Windows Update. Press enter and select Search Updates. Select 6 Search Updates. Install all updates. Okay. Seventh solution. Go Windows search and write local update. Okay. And press enter. Local update. Now select file tank. Okay. Select all files and delete all files. Okay. Delete all files. Delete all files. Now we finish process. A solution. X solution. Go control panel. Okay. Control panel. Select user account. Select user account. Now select change user account control settings. Carry arrow down and accept option. Ninth solution. Press Windows R keys. Okay. Right click Exe and press Enter. Select K local machine option. Now select software file. Okay. Now select Microsoft option. Select Windows option. Select current version. Select App option. Click right on App or user. Click right and select Delete File. Thanks for watching the videos. Share video, please. Subscribe this channel. Some of these solutions will help you solve the problem. Bye bye guys. Bye. Click on this video. It's very important for me. Please click here. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye. Good night.